Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're doing well out there today. Ready and primed for this morning's European pre-market. So, let's have a look at what we've got to deal with today. So, nice point of liquidity coming through here in the EU50 at the moment. Decent break close retest, good structure down at the base there, but we haven't really come back for that nice retest of the 58.73 area, have we? The area in which I would like to see a break of structure from now in order to go long, probably going to be the high of that move. Doesn't make perfect sense to the left hand side, but it is the break of structure for me. So what we'll be looking for is the break of structure above 59.11, and then we'll be looking to take that up to the previous high there. Or alternatively, the short from a rejection from this area back down to the lows. So the long, first of all, is going to look something like this. So that's that for around about a 1 to 2.2. I suppose you might be able to get that a little bit better, just fine tuning it on the 1 minute time frame. And as for the short, the breaker structure for this one's going to be approximately there, following a rejection of the high. So then we'll be looking at the push into this area, the rejection, and the sell-off, which will follow subsequently after. Small little trades in and out of the market, not hanging around too long, but nevertheless not too bad at all. So that's going to be number one. Number two, the DAX. Got decent break close retest, which has just taken place. We've got a real nice lift off. The unfortunate thing is, of course, this is at the Frankfurt Open, not really at the European Open. It's going to be a difficult one to call when the bell rings this morning. Don't really like taking it long, guys, got to be honest here. Yeah, it's not really going to work for me. So what we're going to do is look for the potential short again, and that's going to come from a rejection of the high just like the EU50. And then what we're going to do is look to short it below this area down to the lows, stops above there for a 1 to 2.85. Not a bad little trade. Probably have an entry a little bit of a better margin there below the breaker structure point. So 1 to 2.57 I think is not too bad at all, and that is on the proviso that the market rallies first and then comes back down thereafter. And then third and final, the UK 100. Pretty choppy chart at the moment. We've got lows, highs up there, decent well-sized range. Got a decent well-sized range. We've got the high here, which isn't too bad, is it? We've got this high, which is worrying. That's directly above price action. I think on a 1 minute time frame, you would probably be able to make a trade idea work out of that trading margin in there and there, though. I do think that. So I'm going to say along via the breaker structure in there makes sense. And on top of that, if we get the necessary breaker structure rejection point from those highs, we can also look at shorting it on the other side. So push up in the liquidity, a rejection, and then we'll be looking at that short there as well. That's not too bad at all on that UK FTSE. Yeah, not too bad at all. Now let's have a little bit of a recap quickly. UK Brent is still hovering at the moment, so not triggered, nothing we can do about it. We've got gold long, which came up, did have a go after we bit into liquidity there. That was yesterday afternoon at about 2:45, but it didn't bite far enough. It was soon to trigger, but it didn't go. It's done the same thing again this morning. It's come down to 46.68. We want it to bite in a little bit further than that, ideally, somewhere around this red circle. It doesn't have to be inside it, just somewhere down at around sort of 46.60, as mentioned yesterday. So nothing we can do about that at the moment. But it is close. It is close, that one. And then we've got silver, which is also unfortunately hovering. So all of our trade ideas at the moment are just kind of situated just above where they need to be in order to get going. But we've still got a couple of days left, still feeling good about it. So we can, we can stay tuned and see what happens. So going to wrap things up there, team. Hope you make the most out of this session this morning. Good luck out there in the European Open. You've got about, well, by the time this gets uploaded and it's sent out to you guys, that'll only take about 5 minutes. So you'll have about 20 minutes to go before the bell rings. So good luck. Let me know if there's anything else I can do, and I'll catch you then. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.